Okay, hey everyone. Hi. Um, so this is a talk on Prometheus Certified Associate Exam, and you have been hearing a lot about Kubernetes topics. Obviously, this is a Kubernetes season, and just stepping back and trying to understand how your Kubernetes cluster is behaving, and if you want to know more about your metrics, what's going on behind your pods and containers, right? So you have an option to look at the metrics via different tools in the in the observability space. One such tool is open source tool is the Prometheus. Yeah. So this is not the Prometheus 101, but this is about the PCA exam itself. So I'm just going to cover a few slides on the Prometheus, and we'll get more into the syllabus and concentrate on the PCA. Right. So as I was speaking, Prometheus is an open source metrics-based monitoring alert stack. It has a rich ecosystem of exporters, which helps you not to add any custom instrumentation, which is good, right? So you can add it as a sidecar container in our previous talk. We had a session on sidecar, right? So and next one is we have a PromQL, which helps you to query the metrics, and using that you can bring more relevant logs and query the logs using the metrics. Yeah. How Prometheus is established in CNCF? So it's a graduated project, and it has a good association with the Kubernetes, and it has this is the architecture collected from Prometheus documentation. We have a central Prometheus server tagged to TSDB, time series database, and push gateway and alert managers are the key component of the Prometheus, as you may know. And this is more related to Kubernetes Prometheus because it allows key value pair. The metrics or the time series is the combination of metrics along with the key value as a label pair that makes the time series, right? So also it has service discovery ability, such that if you want to look into underneath the Kubernetes, for example, if you need to scrape some information or metrics from the HCD, particularly for the HCD, there may not be an exporter available, but you can use a standard file SD configs as an exporter or a node manager to scrape metrics out of it, and you can write to the file and you can send it back to the Prometheus. Yeah. And coming back to the PCA curriculum itself, it's classified into different domains. PromQL being the most of the weights, and draw your attention to observability and Prometheus fundamentals next, and next goes on the alerting and exporter. So this is a deep dive into the curriculum itself. Here I would focus on service discovery, relevance on SLO SLIs and versus SLA, and that will be under the observability concept. And if you look into the Prometheus fundamentals, it may help look more into the data model, yeah, and configuration and scraping methodologies, and the rest of the things, you can focus on the histograms on the PromQL, and instrumentation topic is important in instrumentation exporters, and in alerts and dashboarding, you need to know how alert rules works and how it is configured. So here are a few links to prepare. One of link is on the CNCF Prometheus YouTube video series. Prom Labs has good preparation material, and as usual, the exam cost is $250, but you can make use of bundle offers. We had a recent one. I had posted that in my LinkedIn recently. And appear as the same experience expert. And further links and resources, make sure you look into the